Ever wondered if cracking your knuckles is really bad for you? Let's find out. The common myth says that cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis. Sounds scary, right? But what's really happening? When you crack your knuckles, gas bubbles in the joint fluid pop, creating that familiar sound. Experts say there's no evidence linking knuckle cracking to arthritis or joint damage. It's mostly harmless. Some people even report that cracking their knuckles gives them a feeling of relief and flexibility in their joints. However, if it's accompanied by pain or swelling, it might be time to see a doctor. Listen to your body. So is cracking your knuckles really bad for you? Myth busted. Enjoy that pop without worry. Want more myth-busting fun? Hit that subscribe button for more interesting facts.